Internal material transfer returns. The objectives for this section are as follows. After completing this lesson, you should be able to describe return transfer order process flow, describe physical and accounting only returns, describe physical material return required checkbox on return lines user interface. Our first topic describes the physical and accounting process flow. This diagram shows the physical and accounting return process flow. The approach to return internal material transfer begins in Oracle Receiving. A return can involve a physical return of materials or not. The physical material return required field displays on the return lines user interface. In both cases, the return transaction is initiated in the Manage Returns process. The transfer order type of return is created with reverse locations for both scenarios, with or without physical returns. In the case that physical return of material is required, the transfer order is interfaced to shipping. Returns are not supported by Oracle Order Management. If physical return of material is not required, the transfer order is not interfaced to Oracle Shipping. This document is used for tax, accounting, and audit trail purposes. A distinction is made between the two types, with or without physical return transfer orders. Returns are captured in the Manage Return process defining the source of the return, item, unit of measure, quantity return, and reason for returning. Further, transfer prices, payment terms, and shipping terms are also derived while defining the return. The source of the return is an IMT transfer order document. The document creation service will create a transfer order document for the return. This document is a special type of document called IMT return. Downstream processes such as supply chain financial orchestration will interpret this special transfer document type as a return in order to reverse material and financial transactions. Logistics will treat the physical transfer process of pick, pack, and ship no different from that of a regular IMT, but will need to make sure that the same material is allocated for shipping the return back. The next topic describes how IMT supports physical and accounting only returns. This screen shows that for returns that do not require physical return of material, an inventory transaction type of transfer order return is created. Shipment lines and reservations are not created in this case. A supply chain financial orchestration event is also raised. The transfer order line status is set to closed automatically. The transfer order does not have shipped or received quantity populated. The physical material return required checkbox is displayed on the return lines user interface. If the field is deselected, the return is considered an accounting-only return. If the field is selected, transactions are created for the physical return of the material. As a note, transfer orders that do not require physical return of materials are not interfaced to Oracle Fusion Shipping. The navigation to the screen would be through Warehouse Operations, Receipts, then Return Receipts. This screen shows that for returns that require physical return of material, an inventory transaction type of transfer order return is created. Shipment lines and reservations are created in this case. Full pick, pack, and ship support is provided for physical material returns. The Edit Transfer Order user interface displays a physical materials return required indicator. This informs the user that the material was physically returned to the fulfillment inventory organization. The Edit Transfer Order user interface also provides a reference to the original transfer order. The navigation for this form is Warehouse Operations, Inventory, Manage Transfer Orders, then